So this is a Samsung washer dryer or washer dryer combo, and the problem with this one is the water coming into the dispenser is overflowing in this part right here. Just water dripping up into the floor. So yeah, I'm gonna open this. Then we are going to check the soap dispenser to see if there's anything clogged in there. So there's usually two tubes or compartments from the dispenser that goes to the tub. Here's one, and there's also another one. I don't know if you can see it, but right there. There, the big one. So anyway, I'll show that to you in a minute. And yeah, so let's see. So here's what's holding it. One. So this one, and this one, this one. So, all right, let me do that. First, take a look at this first. Okay, it doesn't look like it's clogged. Let me check this here. Let me blow this. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's clogged. We'll give it a blow. Yeah, it seems to be fine. Okay, and yep, that's clear as well. So it's clear. That one's clear. All right, so I'll just put it aside first. And all right, so let's take a look at this big one. Yeah, this one right here. That's the big tube from, which is this one, the drain, and it goes into that rubber tube. So it's pretty tight. So I'll see what I can do to get that checked. So let me. All right, guys. So here it is. I was able to. I still have those connections in place, but I was able to pop it out and remove this from here. And also, this is the one that goes into the tub right there. All right, guys. So here it is, and I think we saw the problem here. There's a lot of buildup right here, and also on this side. Yeah, looks pretty thick. So what happens is, because of this buildup, the tube has only little room for the water. And so what happens is, because of the fact that the water flow is restricted, the excess water is overflowing out, and you know, it goes down in this part right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up and put it back, and yeah, we'll test how it goes. So here it is now after the cleanup. Yep, as you can see, no more buildup. Now I was cleaning it, there's a lot of thick buildup in there. So it's like brand new in there now, and the hole is now bigger. Right? Before it was really restricted, like little tiny hole. Now it's fully open. All right, so I'll just put this back and test it out. Yeah, I'm 100% sure this should fix that issue. because water's not restricted anymore, so there will be no overflowing there. All right, I'll show you the test results. All right, guys, I've put everything back together, and moment of truth, it's time for the test. I'm going to do a 15-minute quick wash, and all right, let's see what happens. So again, when it's time to rinse, the rinsing part is when the water overflow in this part right here. So it gets drips down to the floor. And so, yeah, let's see how it goes. There's a lot of water here when that happens. So right now I dried it up so that I know there's no overflow anymore after I go back after 15 minutes. All right, 15-minute quick wash has finished. And so far, yep, super dry, right? So nothing in there, no drips whatsoever, no overflows. Yep, very dry. And the floor is also dry. Usually it's all over the place and it flows in that direction. And over here, that's why we have plenty of rocks there. But yep, really dry. All right, so that's it. That fixed the problem. I hope you like this video. If you like more of these DIY tutorial videos, click the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you.